This call is now being recorded.
Hi everyone. So we continue with our lesson in Mathematics Form 2. Today we continue with Chapter 3, Algebraic Formula. So this is the last part of Chapter 3. We go to Learning Standard 3.1.4, solve problems involving formula. Okay. So this one, the question from the textbook on page 51, textbook Form 2, Maths Form 2. Okay, so question 4a already copied in this one. This is the question. Number 4, write the algebraic formula based on the following situations. A, the total price RMZ that needs to be paid by a buyer who bought X workbook and Y geometry set. The workbook and the geometry set each cost RM5.90 and RM3.60 respectively. Okay, this one is easy. Okay, says here X workbook, meaning the workbook, RM5.90. This one, this is X, this is X. Let me write again. X, and this one RM3.61 is Y for geometry set. This is Y. Okay, the question asks us to find the total price. This one. The total price RMC. So if you want to write the equation, become like this: Z equal to RM5.90 X plus with RM3.60 Y. No need to write the unit RM. No need to write the unit. Okay. If you want to simplify, we just write 5.9 X plus 3.6 Y. So that's the answer. Z equal to 5.9x plus 3.6 Y. The 0, no need to write. Okay, so for it, very easy. Very easy. Next, we go to question B. Let me copy this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, so B, in a class party, a teacher buys P carton of canned drinks to be distributed to the Q students. In simple word, P carton, we want to divide with Q student. So, but we don't know one carton how many canned drinks, we don't know. We don't know in one carton how many drinks, we don't know. Not yet. Okay, but we know a teacher buys P number of carton of canned drinks to be distributed untuk diagihkan to the Q students. Okay, from the total number of canned drinks, 7 cans were distributed to the subject teachers, and so 7 drinks gave to the teacher. So meaning we need to minus 7. Okay. So if a carton, one carton contains 24 cans of drinks, so number of carton is P. P is a number of carton. One carton, 24 cans of drink. Dalam satu carton ada 24 air, minuman air, 24. Okay. So if P carton, how many? We need to multiply with 24. Okay. So 24P means the total number of drinks, the number can of drinks. Okay, 24P. Minus 7 because we give to the teacher. Divide with Q. Q is number of students. Okay, what the question was? If a carton contains 24 cans of drink, calculate the number of cans received by each student, B, in terms of P and Q. So meaning the question asks us to find B. Question asks us to find B in terms of P and Q. In terms of P and Q, meaning in the equation should have P and Q. Yes, we have P and we have Q. So this is correct. We want P equal to something of P and Q. Okay. So again, 24P because 24 in one carton. We have P carton. So 24 times P. Minus 7 because we give 7 drinks to teachers. And then we divide with student. We divide with student. So this is the answer for question B. This is easy. Question C. So today we have 7 questions. Not too many. Question C. Shoe A is sold at 35 ringgit a pair, while shoe B costs 76 ringgit a pair. Beautiful Shoe Shop offers a 50% discount. Okay, so maybe I can highlight this one. Oh, sorry. This one, 50% discount. Okay, oh, same. Again. Yeah, 50% discount. Okay. Maybe I can highlight. Is it have highlighter? Highlighter. I think this is highlighter. Oh, cannot see. Cannot see. It's okay, it's okay. I change to this one. Which one? This one. Oh, too big. Which one better? Okay, maybe this one. Okay, we have 15% discount on purchase of 2 pairs of shoes. Actually, not 2 pairs. Both of the shoes got discount. Okay, both of the shoes got discount. Shoe A and shoe B got 15% discount. Actually, that is the statement I want to say. Okay, and then we have mailing. Mailing here buys M pairs of shoe A and N pairs of shoe B. Calculate the price payable P in terms of M and N. So meaning like this. The question 1, P equal to something. That is the question 1. P equal to something. Okay, we have a 15% discount. We have 15% discount. Okay. Discount. Okay. So we have 15% discount. Meaning we need to pay how much? We need to pay actually 100% minus the discount, 15%. Okay. Meaning we need to pay only 85%. We need to pay only 85%. Okay. So that is the statement that we get, the information that we get. So 35 ringgit, we actually M from here. And then for shoe B is N. So we have M, 35N, and we have 76B. Oh, this one is wrong. And this one. N. Okay. 35M, 76B. Okay. So the question 1, P. So we write here P. P equal. Okay. First, we need to pay only 85%. We need to pay only 85%. So we can write as 85% or 85 over 100. 85 over 100 is 85%. Okay. Multiply with both of the shoes. Both of the shoes. Okay. For shoe A is 35 ringgit times with number of shoe A, M. Plus 76 ringgit multiply with N. Multiply with N. Okay. So this one we can simplify. P equal to 0.85 multiply with 35 M plus 76 N. So actually this is enough already. If in the textbook, the answer is like this. However, I prefer to expand. Meaning 0.85 we multiply with 35. And this one we can write as 29.75 M. And meaning one shoe of shoe A only 29 ringgit 75 cent that we need to pay for one shoe. But mailing by M pairs of shoe. Okay, for 76 ringgit. 0.85. Actually, we have a calculator here. Maybe I can use calculator in my computer. Okay, I want to use this calculator. Okay, so 0.85 multiply with 76. Okay, then I want to change to decimal. Okay, so 64.6 n. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Yeah. Okay, 29.75 M plus 64.6 M. Okay, next question D. Question D. Okay. Question D. A car is able to travel as far as 10 km with a liter of petrol. Express the cost RMX of the petrol that needs to be filled for S km if a liter of petrol costs RMT. Okay, this one we can use the concept of ratio. We can use the concept of ratio. Okay, that from this information, 10 km with a liter of petrol, we can write here 10 km for 1 liter. 10 km for 1 liter. Actually, if you want to write in ratio, we can write as 10 to 1. 10 to 1 in ratio. 10 to 1. Okay, but maybe I want to write like this. I want to write here km, and then I want to write here liter. So 10 km 1 liter. From the first statement, 10 km can go with 1 liter petrol. Okay, so for 1 kilometer, it become 1 over 10. Of course, 10 divide 10 equal to 1, right? So 1 divide 10, we get 1 over 10, or we can write 0.1. For next, okay, we read the question here. Express the cost RMX, meaning the question asks us to find X equal to something. Okay, express the cost RMX of the petrol that needs to be filled for S kilometer. For S kilometer, if a liter of petrol costs RMT. So we know that 1 liter equal to RMT. 1 liter equal to RMT for 1 liter. Okay, so we continue here. Again, to this one. 10 kilometer, 1 liter. So 1 kilometer is 1 over 10 liter. Okay, for S kilometer, for S kilometer, how you get? So actually to get S actually is 1 times S, correct or not? 1 times S. So this one also we need to do 1 over 10 multiply with S, 1 over 10 multiply with S. Or if you want to simplify, for S kilometer is equal to S over 10. Or we can write also 0.1 S, 0.1 S, same thing. Okay. So now the question asks us X. The question asks us about S. S. So how to get S? To get the cost, we need to know the kilometer, and then we need to multiply with the price of 1 liter. We need to know the distance in kilometer, and then we need to know the cost for 1 liter, the price for 1 liter. Okay, so actually this one is easy. The kilometer is S over 10. For S kilometer, we need S over 10 liter of petrol. Okay, where 1 liter equal to T, equal to T. So therefore, we can write X equal to ST over 10, like this. Or if you want, you also can write X equal to 0.1 ST. Both the answer is correct. This one okay, this one also okay. Again, so S over 10 is petrol. Total petrol, total petrol. T for 1 liter of petrol. T for the price for 1 liter. So we want to get the cost, the total number of petrol multiplied with the price of 1 liter of petrol. So we get ST over 10. Okay, so this is the answer for question D. Okay, next. Okay, next will be quite difficult compared to the 4 questions that we have done. Let me make it smaller. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, so number 4 actually I take from the textbook on page 51, starting from question number 4, 5, and 6. We start with question number 4. Okay, so this question number 4 quite difficult to understand at first. We try to get the info first. The salary of fast food store branch manager is 3 times more than a part-time employee salary. Okay, so we know that we have 2% here. We have a branch manager, and then we have employees, part-time employee. Okay, maybe I put here manager and employee only. So first, okay, we have manager. We have manager, and then second, maybe a different color. Maybe I use green. Okay. Second, we have employee. Okay, we have manager and employee. Okay, so next, it says here, the salary of fast food store manager is 3 times more than a part-time employee salary. Okay, RMX per day. So this one, RMX, this is for employee salary. RMX is for employee salary. Okay, so we can write here. We can write here salary. We can write here salary per day. This one per day. Salary. We can write here X per day. But for manager, the salary. Sorry, I use different color. Okay. For manager, the salary is 3 times. Per day. The salary for manager 3 times per day compared to employee. Okay. Next, working hours for part-time employees are half of the manager's working time. Why? So this Y for manager. That Y working time for manager. So if you want to write here for manager working time. So maybe I write here time only. Time. Working time for manager is Y. For employee, the working time Sorry, I use green color. Okay. Time for employee. Okay. For employees, says here, working hours for part-time employees are half of the managers. So manager is Y, employee half, meaning Y over 2. Okay. So this is the information that we get. Okay. What is the question want us? Says here, if they work 26 days in a month. So day working, day 26, 26 a month. Write the formula for the difference. Different. Okay. Focus on this one. Focus on difference. Write the formula for difference in salary RMZ. Meaning the question wants us to find Z or Z. Okay. Between the two workers in terms of X and Y. Okay. So we start with manager first. Manager. Okay. Manager. Manager, the salary is 3 times, and then multiply with Y, the time working, multiply with 26, 26 days working. Okay. And then for employee, the salary is X per day, and then multiply with time. The time is, if I write in bracket Y over 2, multiply with working day, same, 26. Not nice again. Okay. But careful, it says here difference. So difference, we need to minus. Remember, difference, we need to minus. Okay. So now we find Z. 3x times 3xy times 26. Okay. I use this calculator. 3 times 26 equal 78. 78 xy. Okay, minus with this one, I think I can calculate myself. 26 divide 2. So 26 divide 2, this one is 13. Okay, so we can write this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this one we write 13 xy. So z equal to 8 times 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, 7 minus 1 is 6, so 65 xy. So this is the answer, the difference between salary for manager and part-time employee. This is the answer. You need to jot down all the information first, breaking down the info before you can write the answer. So this is the answer, 65 xy. Okay, so next we go to question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, number 5. Okay, number 5. Julia takes 40 seconds to walk as far as 50 meters. Write a formula to help Julia calculate the duration of the trip in T in minutes from her home to the school that is S kilometer away. Okay, first of all, this one it says 40 seconds, but this one in question, it says T in minutes. Meaning we need to change from seconds to minutes. Okay, and then we have 50 meters, but in the question last, this one put kilometer. Kilometer. So meter also we need to change to kilometer. Okay, maybe we start with 40 seconds. So 40 seconds actually equal to 40 divide 60 minute. So 40 seconds actually equal to 2/3 minute. The short form for minutes is MIN, not M. M for meter. M for meter. Okay. And then 50 meters. 50 meters. We need to convert to kilometer. So meaning we need to divide with 1000 km. So 50 divide 1000, 1, 2, 3, 0.05 kilometer. That is the conversion unit. Okay, so now we get 40 seconds equal to 2/3 minute. I don't want to change to decimal because if I change to decimal, I get 0.66666. Okay, and then 50 meter equal to 0.05 kilometer. Okay, I want to do this one in ratio also. In ratio also. Okay, so we put here this one kilometer. Kilometer. So this is for kilometer, and this is for minute. Okay. So for 0.05 kilometer, the one it take time for 2/3 minutes. 2/3 minutes. Okay. So for 1 kilometer, so for 1 kilometer, how you want to get from 0.05 to get 1? Actually, what I did here, actually this one, 0.05 divide with 0.05, this is equal to 1. Okay. So same goes to this one, 2/3, we divide with 0.05. We divide to 0.05. Okay. So let's use the calculator. Okay, erase this one, not on, on only for on. We to clear everything, we choose we click AC to clear. Okay, AC. So 2/3 fraction. 2 and 3. Okay, 2/3 divide 0.05. Okay, so 40/3. So this one, if you want to write for 1 kilometer, this is 40/3 minutes. Okay. However, the question asks us for S kilometer. For S kilometer. So for S kilometer, for S actually 1 times S, correct or not? So for S kilometer, this one 40/3, we need to multiply with S. So we can write here 40 S/3, meaning for S kilometer, time taken is 40/3S. 40 S/3, same thing. Okay. But we need to write in equation. We need to write in equation. What we need to write? Read again the question. Write a formula to help Julia calculate the duration of the trip T. The question asks us to write T. T equal to, in minutes, from her home to the meaning, the answer is this one. 40 S/3. And this is the answer. Or if you want to change to mixed number also can. How to change to mixed number? We can press shift, press this one. Okay. We get 13 1/3 S. So actually both answers are accepted. 40 S/3 also okay. This one also okay. And this is the answer. So I use concept of ratio for question number 5. Ratio, RATIO. Ratio. I hope you still remember ratio. In Chinese, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Pilin, I think. Pilin or something like that. Okay. Oops, sorry. Next. Last question. Okay, question number 6. Okay, question number 6. This is difficult if you don't know the formula of area of trapezium. If you don't know the formula for area of trapezium, then this is difficult to you. Okay. So what's the formula for area of trapezium? Let me write here. I use black. So area, I put A. For a trapezium is 1/2 multiply with A plus B times with height. Okay. So this is A and this is B. Okay. The pair of parallel lines, we call as A and B. Okay. So it says here the area of the trapezium below is 36 centimeters square. If x plus y equal to 11 cm, calculate the value of x and y. There are many ways to solve this question. There are many ways to solve this question. One of the method we can use simultaneous equation. One of the method we can use simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation, we have two methods. We have elimination. We have elimination method. Oh, sorry, battery. Okay. So we have elimination method, and then we have substitution method. Substitution. For simultaneous equation, we have elimination method, we have substitution method. We have also graph method. Yeah, we can draw a graph also. Yes, can. And then we also can use matrix. Matrix. And we also can use matrix. And then number 3, of course, we can use calculator. Yeah, we can use calculator. Okay, can. But I don't want to show you the calculator. This one, the calculator for today, I don't want to show. Okay, matrix you will learn in maybe Form 4 or Form 5. Usually in Form 5. Usually in Form 5 you will learn this thing. Okay, so today maybe I will use this one. Even though you still didn't learn the elimination method yet, not yet. However, this is not too difficult for you to understand. So I will show you this method. Okay, let me erase this one. Okay, wait. I want to erase this thing first. Or maybe I erase this one only. Okay, so today I want to use this one. I want to use elimination method. Okay, so let me start. We start from the equation. We start from the equation. 1/2. 1/2. A in the diagram is x plus B in the diagram is 2y multiply with h. H is the height, 4 cm. 4 cm. And this is area of a trapezium, of the trapezium. Okay, what is the area given already? And the area here is 36. So we write 36. And then this one we can simplify. 1/2 and 4. So 2 divide 2 is 1, 4 divide 2 is 2. Okay, and then 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 2 is 4y equal to 36. And all of this we can divide with 2. Why? Because I want to simplify. Or maybe I don't want to do like that. Maybe you're confused if I do like that. Okay, we learned a lot about factorization already. We learned factorization. So this one we can factorize 2. Meaning in the bracket, I use concept of factorization. So in the bracket here, this is x. And then here 4 divided 2 is 2y. Okay, I hope you understand. So If we expand again, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 2y is 4y, like that. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so x plus 2y equal to 36 divide 2. X plus 2y equal to 18. So this is one of the formula that we get. One of the formula. Okay. Don't forget about this one. We also given that x plus y equal to 11 cm. So we use the information. We use x plus y equal to 11 cm. This is the second equation that we can get from the statement. From the statement. Okay. So how to solve this one? Not difficult. We draw a straight line here. We minus. Equation 1, we minus equation 2. I want to use elimination method. So x minus x, x minus x, this is 0. 0. X minus x, 0. No need to write, no need to write. So I don't want to write 0. Okay. So 2y minus y. 2y minus y. 2 minus 1. This is 1y. 2y minus y. So 2y minus y is 1y equal to 7. Equal to 7. So actually for 1y, 1 no need to write. 1 no need to write. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So now we get ready that the value of y equal to 7. Okay. From this one. From this one. From this one. X plus y equal to 11. We know that x plus y equal to 11. We get y 7. So x how much? X how much? Okay. So from that one, we know x plus y equal to 11. We know that one. And we get that y equal to 7. We know from the calculation, we get ready that y equal to 7. So we substitute the y value to 7. And we change to 7. So x equal to 11 minus 7. X equal to 4. Okay, meaning we can write here x equal to 4, y equal to 7. So this is the answer for question. Last question. This is the answer for last question. This question from area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Last answer, x equal to 4, y equal to 7. This is the answer. Okay, x equal to 4, y equal to 7. Okay, so we finished ready our lesson today. Very fast. Okay, so far, do you have any question to ask me? Maybe I stop the recording first. Okay, so our lesson today finished ready. Oh, stop recording.